This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use, no ads at all. Very simple VPN application to use. And down here you can go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. You can see here not much servers. Most of servers are pretty much offline, but you can pretty much just tap on the best server option to be able to connect to a server. So once you have done that, you can pretty much tap on this option here and it will start connecting in no time. So do keep in mind it will take a while before it starts connecting. As you can see here, it will automatically select this server, but currently there's no server available. So I've tested the application before and it was working, but now it's not working for some reason. So if you do encounter this problem as well, you may need to change your VPN application or may need to use a different VPN application. And I've reviewed a lot of different VPN applications similar to this, so you can try one of those. But for now, I've tested it, but it doesn't work properly. So you may need to try a different VPN application. So that's all. See you in the next one.